Today I'm going to talk about how I get strangers to send me over $4,000, and this is without running any ads. Now you're probably wondering, how do I do this? How can I make over $4,000 from strangers who just pay me? Well, in today's video I'm going to break down exactly how I do that, how you guys can do it, and how it's one of the best business models out there. Now just a quick one before I continue the video, let me just give you a quick background on who I am. So my name is Alim and I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK, and I've worked several jobs. I worked in Argos, I worked in World Duty Free, and then I worked at Sky. After working these jobs, I decided, you know what, I've had enough. I then decided I'm going to quit my 9-to-5 job and just move to Dubai. And now over 12 months later, after doing that, I now run a 6-figure coaching business. All because I decided to take a risk in my life and actually chase my dream. And now my life is strangers paying me over $4,000 online, and that's without me paying for any traffic, any ads, all completely for free. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can start this business model, how you can also get strangers to pay you over $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, so you can actually quit your 9-to-5 job and go full in on this business model. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to break down exactly how you can do this and how you can actually start making money really quickly. Now, before I continue the video, just a quick one. If you guys do need any help with actually making money online, where I'll work with you directly on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, well, you can either DM me on Instagram, or alternatively, the best case scenario would be booking a call with me by clicking the link in the description below. And what we'll do is jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. So let me break down the business model that you guys should be doing. And to be honest, in my opinion, a lot more people should be doing, because this business has so much potential. So the business model that I'm talking about is starting your own coaching program. Now, what is a coaching program? How does it work? How can you start it? Well, I'm going to break it down. A coaching program, all it essentially is transferring your skills and knowledge to someone else. Now, there are many names for this, right? You've got a coaching business, an info business, tutoring, you can call it whatever you want. But essentially what you're doing is packaging up your skills and knowledge, packaging it up into a program, which you then sell for over $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. And yes, your clients will be strangers, and those strangers will pay you $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, even $10,000. I know it might sound hard to believe to a lot of people, especially if you're working a 9-to-5 job. A lot of you guys are 9-to-5 minded, so you don't think outside of a 9-to-5 job. A lot of people think you need to work like 40 hours a week to make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Well, I'm telling you that's not the case, because the best thing about this business model is that you don't even need to work that much. So if I give you an example, right, you can make 50 grand in 3 months working only 10 hours a week. And I'm going to give an example later on how that works. But first, let me continue with what a coaching program is. So essentially, right, let's say you've got a particular skill, okay? Now, you don't need to be an expert at this skill. This skill can be anything. There's a woman here in Dubai teaching people how to knit, and she makes just under 20 grand a month. So the skill doesn't have to be a high demand skill. You don't even need to be an expert at this skill, right? So for example, let's say you're a 5 out of 10 at this skill. Well, you can still teach it, because you can teach people that are a 2 or a 3 or even a 1. So that's the beauty of this business model, because everyone has a skill, right? Now, a lot of people tell me they don't have skills. Complete bullshit. Everyone has a skill. And it's just that you don't know you have a skill that's worth maybe 10, 20, 30K a month. Everyone has a skill, right? And I know 16, 17, 18-year-olds who have barely any life experience making nearly 6 figures a month doing this business model. So the way you actually can get strangers to pay you 4, 5, 6 grand, whatever you want to call it, is that you create YouTube videos. So let's say you've got your coaching program sorted. You know what skill you're going to sell. You know at what price point. You know the length of the program as well. So in this case, let's say, for example, you charge $5,000 for a 3-month program where you work with your client for 1 hour a week. Well, then what you do is create videos around your niche. So for example, if you're talking about how to get into shape, well, you'll make those type of videos. If your program is about mindset or motivation, you'll then make those type of videos. Whatever you are selling, you make videos around that. And that's quite self-explanatory, but I do need to explain that. Now, once you make videos like that, what you then do is create a landing page, okay? Or a calendar page. Essentially, it's a page where you send your traffic to from YouTube. So for example, let's say you're making YouTube videos, you will have a link in your description, just like I have as well. And when they click on that link, they will either watch a VSL or they will go straight to your booking page. And on that booking page, they'll then book in a call with you. Now, there are many ways to do this, right? Because obviously, if you just make videos randomly talking about, you know, your niche, talking about what you do, that doesn't mean you're just going to get clients, you know, straight away. You obviously have to structure your videos carefully. You need to obviously understand how content creation works. You also need to understand a little bit of how YouTube works. So you can't just pick up a camera, film videos, and then just expect to get sales. And I'll break it down in this video how you can actually get people to sign up to your program. Now, you need to make different types of content, right? One content you need to make is talking about yourself. So you can have like a My Story video, and another piece of content that you guys can make, which is basically videos that bring in people to your channel. And again, there are so many ways to do this, but you need to make content strategically. You need to make the right types of content. You need to make the right types of videos. You need to have the right types of titles. You also need to have the right types of thumbnails. And again, I teach exactly how you can do all of this in my coaching program. So just a quick one, if you do need any help with this, where I'll basically help you scale your own coaching program to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis, well, you can either DM me on Instagram if you've got any questions, or alternatively, you can click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. So you make YouTube videos, right? How do you get people to actually click on your link and sign up with you? Well, you do exactly what I just did about 10-15 seconds ago. You include a CTA. Now, a CTA in short is basically called a call to action. So essentially what you're doing is reminding the viewers that if they do need any help with whatever that is you're teaching, they can book in a call with you by clicking the link in the description. Because at the end of the day, you are selling a program. And same with me, right? I'm making this video to sell you guys my program. I'm not going to lie here and say, yeah, I'm not doing that. Of course, that's what I'm doing. So make sure you make good content, right? Make sure you have a good camera, good lighting, a decent mic, and then just film videos talking about your niche, talk about problems within the niche, talk about problems within the industry, talk about what you do, talk about your story, talk about how you've done it yourself, and talk about how you can help someone else. Now, over time, when you keep making these type of videos, what will happen is you'll start getting booked calls. And then when you get these booked calls, what you then do is jump on a call with these people. Now, these people, as I mentioned, are strangers, right? You've never met them, you've never seen them, you've never spoken to them before. But to them, they know you because they've watched your YouTube video. If they booked in a call with you, they know, like, and trust you, which means it's like an interesting exchange, right? Because you've met them for the first time and they've seen you quite a few times on your YouTube channel. And this is great because they're completely warmed up. And this is why YouTube is such a powerful platform, because when you're creating content, right, people get to know you really well and people just start liking you. I guess you can say you're kind of a celebrity, right? Think of it like being a celebrity at a very micro level where you've got a few people that know you, and because they know you quite well, they want to work with you. So they'll book calls with you through your YouTube channel and they've probably watched a few of your videos. So when they jump on a call with you, they're speaking to the guy they've watched so many videos on. So for them, they're quite warmed up, albeit for you, you've never met them before. Now, when you jump on these calls, right, you need to qualify your customer. So the way you qualify them is you ask them loads of questions, okay? So you find out exactly what they're doing. Have they tried doing what you're teaching? You know, you try and find out more and more about your customer and basically qualify them. Now, when you're asking these questions, there will be loads of times where they just won't be the right fit for your program. Now, if they're not a right fit for your program, look, do yourself a favor. Do not continue with that call anymore. Be upfront and be honest. Explain to them, look, with the questions that you've answered, I don't believe I can help you, and just be straight up with them. Because what you don't want happening is for them to join your program and them not doing well, right? And then when these people don't do well, they'll blame you. You only want high quality people that you can genuinely help. Now, if they do answer the questions correctly, you do know you can help them, well, the next thing that you need to do is show them a presentation. Now, on this presentation, you talk about your program, you talk about yourself, you talk about how you can help them, you talk about the value that you provide. You then talk about your pricing, you then talk about how you can actually help them. Now, once you talk about your pricing and the value that you can provide to them, naturally you might get some objections. They might say that the price is too expensive, or I need to talk to my wife, or I need to think about it. Well, at this point, you need to learn how to objection handle. You need to remind them the value that you're providing. You need to talk about the value that they're going to get for the price and try explain to them how this program can actually help them. Now, if all goes well on that sales call and they say, you know what, I'm happy, I want to sign up to your program, well, what you then do is send them a payment link and then they pay you on that call. So for example, if you charge $5,000, they'll pay you $5,000 straight away on that call. And boom, now you've got a client. Now from here, what do you do, right? Now you need to provide value to your client. So whatever your coaching program was, however long it is, for example, let's say it's a 3-month coaching program for 1 hour a week. Well, that's what you will then provide them. So you'll work with them for 1 hour a week for 3 months, helping them with your particular niche. And honestly, guys, that's all you've got to do. This is how you make money online without using ads, without paying for traffic, and just doing organic traffic through YouTube. Now, a lot of people think, right, that you need tons and tons of views to get even 1 or 2 clients. Completely false. If you don't believe me, I make over 6 figures a year, right? Look at the views my channel's getting. I don't run any paid ads. All my clients come directly from YouTube. And I don't even need to do ads because I actually get a lot of people through YouTube and I don't even get that many views. Like if you look at some of my videos, I get like 100 views, 200 views, sometimes 500 views, but all my clients come directly through YouTube. And this is why I always say YouTube is such a powerful platform. So this is how I get strangers to pay me over $4,000 without paying for any ads. So if you guys want to do this business model and you want to actually start your own coaching program and make significant amounts of money every single month, well, you can either DM me on Instagram or alternatively, you can click the link below in the description and book in a call with me. And we'll jump on a call. I'll see exactly where you are in life and see exactly how I can help you. And if you don't want my help, well, I've given you the full blueprint on how you can start this yourself. So make sure you watch this video and take action.